In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mini calendar in Google Sheets. This is a really handy little trick if you want an easy way to pick dates without typing them in manually. Instead of remembering formats or worrying about typos, you'll be able to just click a cell, open a small calendar, and choose the exact date you want. This works great for things like schedules, project timelines, event planning, or any sheet where you're tracking dates. Let's start by opening your Google Sheet, or creating a new one if you'd like to practice. First, decide exactly where you want your mini calendar to appear. Click on the cell where you want users to select a date. If you want the calendar option available in more than one place, you can click and drag to select a whole range of cells or even an entire column. The rule we're about to set up will apply to every cell you have selected. With those cells highlighted, go up to the top menu and click on Data. From the drop-down that appears, choose Data Validation. This is the feature that lets you control what kind of data can be entered into your cells, and it's what triggers the mini calendar for dates. A sidebar will open on the right side of your screen. In this panel, click on Add Rule. This creates a new validation rule for the cells you selected earlier. Make sure the Apply to Range area shows the correct cells. If it doesn't, you can adjust the range here before moving on. Now, under the Criteria section, open the drop-down menu and look for the option called Is Valid Date. Select that. What this does is tell Google Sheets that these cells should only accept proper dates. Behind the scenes, this is what enables that clickable calendar pop-up. You can leave the other settings at their defaults if you're just getting started, or customize them later if you want error messages or specific formatting. Once you've chosen Is Valid Date, click Done at the bottom of the sidebar to save your rule. Now it's time to test it. Go back to one of the cells you applied the rule to and double-click it. You should see a small mini calendar appear. From here, you can click through the months, then simply click on the date you want. The date will automatically be filled into the cell, perfectly formatted. And that's all there is to it. You've just created a mini calendar in Google Sheets using data validation.